If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and are you ready for some mail call? Interesting mail call. And like always, I'll be reviewing the pen and tell you what I like about it and I don't like about it. At least my opinions. So, but remember, we all have different opinions. That's just how it is. Some may agree or disagree, but leave your comments below. And we'll go from there, and I will answer these questions as soon as possible. So let's get to cutting, okay? Mail call. Here we go. Well, we'll get this done here in a few seconds, and we'll get to the good stuff that's inside the box. As long as I don't cut my hand off, right? Right?
Right.
There you go. There you go, Mr. Announcer. Alrighty, here we go. Now, I just have to use some muscle. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, and here we go. There's nothing in there. And a card. Yes. So, the fun part, right? Right. Let me kind of open up the little letter and see what it says. I like how Mike does his little stamp. That's pretty cool. And Mike, I'm talking about Mike Green. Okay guy. Really nice guy. Him and Teresa's wife, really fine people. And he's with, let me see, who's Mike with? Custom Pens, I think. Yeah. And Mike at Pens Free. If you ever want to look him up, check him out. Check out what he has in pens. You can go right there. And you can call him, you can email him, whatever you need to do to find out more information. Is he the best custom pen maker in the States? No. Is he one of the top dogs? No. But he's one of the top, hardest working pen custom guys around because he wants to learn. And he wants to give you guys, the customer, the best deals and the best pen possible so you can have a great writing experience. So yeah, he's working to be up there soon, but that's not his goal. His goal is to put out quality pens at an affordable price. Is that saying it right? I think so. So here we go. We're going to open these up. Now I don't, sugarcoat any of my reviews, believe it or not. I will tell you like it is. I don't mean to hurt anybody's feelings, so I don't dog them. I just tell them what I think of it. Okay, now here's how the pen comes. And Teresa makes these little bags. And they're kind of cool. They're different. They're not your regular pen cases. So you can always put stuff in them that you might want to keep. I know there's some people that buy these beautiful pen cases that their pens come in and then, bam, they have no use for the pen case. So let me get this down here. Bum, 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 bum. Here we go. Now we're going to focus on the pen. Only on the pen. Alrighty, here we go. This is the yellow and black the ebonite pen. And of course, you haven't seen the Terminator yet, but it will be out soon. It's smaller than the Terminator. Not a lot, but it is. Beautiful pen. I love the colors in it. They just come together. They belong together. And this is a 13 millimeter pen. And it's tapered as you go on down. And, Mike was telling me here in the letter that some people have told him they're kind of similar to the Eversharp Skyline pen. So that's interesting. Kind of reminds you of that. And a friend of his that were sharing a table at the Chicago Pen Show were, we're talking about this, about that vintage pen. And it just kind of remind you of that, at least to me it did. Okay. Very nicely made. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, yeah, it's very nice.
And this pen comes with a Bach number 6 rose gold extra broad nib. Right up my alley. So here I am doing a mail call, kind of like a review at the same time, but you know what? We'll go with that. And we'll finish up the review later. How's that? Let's unscrew the pen. If we can get a close-up of that beautiful nib. That's a Bach nib, like I said. Number 6. With an extra broad, right up my alley, nib. And the nib's already tuned by Kirk Spears. All his pens now are tuned. So if you decide to order one of his pens, they always go by Kirk Spears of the pen realm. And he wants to make, Mike wants to make sure that everything is going to be to your liking. He wants you to have a really good writing experience. So he goes out of the way to do this. All right, so here you have it. And I will give you more when I do the review. How's that? I hope this will tell you a little bit about this fabulous pen. It is gorgeous. It is lovely, beautiful ebonite. But for me, it could be ebonite or another material. I'm okay with it. But there's people that just go la-la over ebonite. And it's great. I'm not saying it's not. I don't know. Maybe I just love pens so much that when I see one I like, I just jump for it. But the first thing I always do is the heart of the pen, right? Folks, that's going to do it for now. So if you're interested, and only if you're interested, well, even if you're not, give little Mikey a call. Until then, my friends, I will catch you later. God bless each and every one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, be kind to a stranger out there. God knows we can use that kind of love and guidance now. And as always, peace and love, and don't text and don't drive.